Lots of essential work is underway this summer at Mount Morris Dam to keep operations running smoothly. After wrapping up debris removal, crews are now preparing for the dam's next major project, replacing the bulkhead guides.
This is the first time we've done this in 70 years since the dam has been in operation, over 70 years.
Though small in appearance, these guides are critical. They hold the bulkhead, a massive steel gate that stops water flow so crews can safely inspect the dam's inner workings. The bulkhead is lowered by crane into a specifically designed track system. Once sealed, it blocks water and lets teams access valves, gates, and conduits safely.
It allows us to do our role at flood damage reduction and flood risk management, and we can go in and actually look and see and work on our gates that are down there. So it gives us a tool to where we can get down there to ensure that the operating equipment inside the dam will be there for years to come.
To reach the work zone, a temporary cofferdam was built to divert water and make room for heavy equipment.
Cofferdam is basically they're just using some mud and dirt to build essentially a small dam to block that flow of water from going in to certain conduits inside the dam. So we have 9 tunnels. We're blocking off 6 of them at first, and then we're going to install those rail systems for those bulkheads so they can be put in place.
It's a complex, choreographed operation that ensures the dam can continue protecting downstream communities for years to come.